Kowsar missiles medium-range, land-based anti-ship missiles are installed on the Ashura and Tariq class vessels to convert them from rocket launchers to missile launchers, the commander added. The IRGC Naval Force received the new equipment in a ceremony held in Bandar Abbas, the capital city of the southern province of Hormuzgan. The Ashura is a class of fast patrol boat used by naval forces of Iran. It is a Boston whaler-type vessel based on a watercraft UK design and is manufactured domestically with hulls made of glass-reinforced plastic. Ashura speedboats are able to carry various guns, including heavy machine guns and multiple rocket launchers. There are versions with installed Zu-23-2 autocannon, DSHK machine gun, and modified to carry a single naval mine. Meanwhile, the Tara is a class of fast patrol boat used by naval forces of Iran. A Bagamar is a high-speed patrol boat for use in coastal patrol. The term Bagamar originated from the Iranian patrol boats manufactured by the Swedish company Bagamar Marinab during the 1980s, used in the Iran-Iraq War and its tanker war. In addition, Iran is unusual for having two navies. The older, Artish regular, Iranian Navy focuses on operating larger corvettes, frigates and missile boats, as well as over 24 submarines. Its area of operations is chiefly further afield in the Straits of Hormuz, the Gulf of Oman and the Indian Ocean. Its 22 Ghadar-class midget submarines, however, are well suited to ambush warfare in the shallow and rocky waters of the Persian Gulf. Meanwhile, the quasi-military Iranian Revolutionary Guard Corps also has its own navy, counting over 1,500 fastboats, designed to rapid swarming attacks in the shallow littoral waters of the Persian Gulf. Effectively answerable to religious hardliners rather than the head of state, the IRCGN has been involved in more provocative diplomatic incidents, such as the seizure of a U.S. Navy fast assault boat in January 2016. In terms of civilian boats, the IRGCN musters hundreds of fast and short boats are on the pattern of the open-cabin Boston whaler motorboat, typically fitted with unguided rocket launchers, rocket-propelled grenades, anti-tank missiles and recoilless rifles. Other popular platforms include Swedish Bagamar motorboats and rigid-hull Zodiac inflatable rubber dinghies. These small watercraft can be based on isolated islands and oil platforms in the middle of the Persian Gulf. However, Iran also is manufacturing specialized military speed boats with more impressive capabilities. One example is the Saraj 1, reverse-engineered from a British Blade Runner 51 speedboat purchased from South Africa. Photos reveal these have been armed with a multiple rocket launcher system and a heavy anti-aircraft machine gun on the prow. The Saraj can reportedly attain speeds of 55 to 72 knots. The sleek domestically designed Zulfiqar video here has a maximum speed of 70 knots and mounts an integrated radar and two launch canisters for Nasr-1 cruise missiles on its stern. Based on the Chinese C-704 missile, the Nasr-1 has a range of 22 miles and can use infrared, radar or television guidance. Iranian media has also released images revealing the boat's simple cockpit and computer displays and an apparent mass production line for the boats. Even more exotic watercraft includes semi-submersible boats designed to partially submerge below the water to evade detection for sabotage, special forces insertion and spying. Finally, on the heavy end, the IRGCN can deploy 20 Thunder-class fast attack boats armed, Chinese Haodong class, with 4 C-802 anti-ship missiles each, and 10 Ter-2 torpedo motorboats.